Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the sixth episode of the series Big Bang to Big Freeze, the complete timeline of the universe. The death of the first stars triggered a new era of cosmic evolution, the assembly of galaxies. As gravity continued to pull matter together, smaller clumps of gas and dark matter began to merge, forming larger and larger structures. These were the first proto-galaxies, which eventually grew into the magnificent spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies we see today. At the center of many of these young galaxies, matter collapsed into supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. As matter fell into these black holes, it heated up to incredible temperatures, emitting intense radiation and creating brilliant beacons known as quasars. These active galactic nuclei lit up the universe, influencing the formation of surrounding stars. Over the next few billion years, galaxies continued to collide, merge, and interact, shaping their structures and creating new generations of stars. The galactic evolution is a story of cosmic cannibalism and collaboration, where small clumps of matter slowly grow into the vast, organized systems we see populating the universe today. The formation of spiral arms, galactic bulges, and supermassive black holes are all driven by the physics of gravity, gas dynamics, and angular momentum. Our own Milky Way galaxy has merged with several smaller galaxies in its past and is currently on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. While the hierarchical merging model is well accepted, the exact details are still debated. The cold dark matter model predicts that many small satellite galaxies should orbit larger galaxies, but we observe far fewer than predicted, a problem known as the satellite galaxy problem. Some scientists propose that feedback from star formation and black holes may have suppressed the formation of these small galaxies, while others suggest the dark matter might have properties that prevent the formation of a small structure. To summarize, here are the three most important physics concepts from today's episode. Point number 1. Galaxies formed and evolved through the gravitational merging of smaller proto-galaxies over billions of years. Point number 2. Supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies become quasars, emitting intense radiation and influencing star formation. Point number 3. Galaxies are dynamic, continuously evolving through collisions and mergers, shaping the cosmic landscape. So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.